Hello, my name is Rebecca Dillon. I attended Baylor University, where I obtained my undergraduate degree in University Scholar, was my major. I concentrated in political science, international studies, Spanish, and philosophy, otherwise known as a little bit of everything, and pre-law. I took a year in between undergrad and law school to do an English teaching assistantship with the Fulbright in Mexico City, where I had the opportunity to work for the UN High Commission on Refugees, as well as another anti-human trafficking nonprofit in Mexico during that time. After my Fulbright, I attended Pepperdine Caruso School of Law to obtain my JD. And after graduation, I clerked at a federal district court in Florida, where I got to see all kinds of different federal cases. I have several years of experience coaching and mentoring students, and I am excited to help you along this journey. After law school, I clerked for a federal district judge in Florida, where I got to see the full gamut of cases and litigation that appear before a federal district court. Then I transitioned to a teaching role. I've been teaching for Trinity Law School for a few years now, a variety of courses. Part of what I really enjoy about that is the opportunity to mentor young law students and help them through particularly that tough first year of law school. As an undergraduate at Baylor, I was a finalist for the Truman Scholarship, which is awarded to students from each state. I was one of two students to represent the state of Texas that year. In law school, I enjoyed serving as the president of the Trial Advocacy Team, serving as a member of the Pepperdine Law Review, the president of the Christian Legal Society, and then I got to be part of several different legal opportunities, such as the Ninth Circuit Appellate Advocacy Clinic, the Special Education Clinic, as well as intern briefly for the International Justice Mission and write a policy memo for the El Salvador legislature. Finally, I was able to intern at the U.S. Attorney's Office in Washington, D.C. I also graduated salutatorian from Pepperdine Law and won the school's service award. There are two things I would say, of course, as a lawyer. I have to give a multi-part answer. The first I would say is get a taste for the different areas of law that you think you might be interested in. Law school is an opportunity to see the full wide world that the legal world encompasses, and you can have a chance to test those out before you commit to a particular career path. The second thing I would advise is to treat it like a job and put in the amount of hours you need to be successful. That may be more than a typical 40-hour-a-week job. If that's what you need, that's what you need to do. Put in the hours that you need to have those grades, especially the first year. It will be a lot of work, but it will be worth it. I take an empathetic approach to counseling. I really want to learn about the students, find out about their backgrounds, where they're coming from, and help them to be able to shine a spotlight on each of those different aspects of their personalities so that they can present that to the law schools and the admission board and present their very best case. Not only that, I want to help students find their best fit. Not the top tier school is maybe not the best fit for every student. It's not as much about the ranking for me as it is about what is the right fit where you will be successful as a student and where you will find the opportunities that you want to pursue the career path most interesting to you. As a legal research and writing professor, one of my greatest strengths is providing feedback on writing. I always provide extensive feedback, and I have quite a bit of experience in reviewing student writing, all the way from the writing of a federal judge, as I did as a clerk, down to the writing of students in their first year of law school. I know how to give that feedback in a way that will make sense to you and help you improve your writing for the next time that you do it. My other strength is that I'm empathetic and I care about the students. I really want to get to know you as a person. I want to know why you want to be at law school, and I want to help you translate that onto the page for your application. I'm passionate about helping law students because our country, our world, our nation, they need good lawyers. Not just good lawyers, but ethical lawyers. People that are in the law for the right reasons, not just to make money, but to serve the public and to serve as a minister of justice. I want that for you. I want you to be able to be empowered to use your skills to make this world a better place, to change the world from what it is to what it should be.